Okay, let's go. So we came across this food truck called Barrio Luchador, who's serving some of my favorite dishes, the classic street taco. Now, not only are these guys using incredible herbs and spices, but did I mention they're also in a food hall? So Chef Daniel, we're here at the Lincoln South Food Hall in downtown Bellevue, and you are the owner, chef, purveyor of a lot of restaurants here, aren't you?
Yes, I am the executive chef. I'm overseeing all 6 of these concepts where we're bringing local fast casual items to everybody.
Now on your tacos, we're talking Mexican street tacos, and one of the key ingredients in a classic Mexican street taco is a little herb known as...
Cilantro.
There you go. So tell me, where do you get your cilantro from?
The cilantro is usually picked the day before and brought straight to us within 24 hours. And I go through about a case of cilantro a day. So we're talking about 30 pounds easily of cilantro we're just chopping on a daily basis.
Let's see what people think of these cilantro top tacos. I'm gonna have you pick up that taco right there.
All right. This is really good. I can feel the flavor.
Very, very good.
So
Highly recommend.
Are you a big fan of cilantro?
Not normally, not if there's too much, but that's just the right amount.
Good. So it's there, but it doesn't kick you in the butt.
Yeah.
And then you add a little bit of cilantro in there.
Good.
Very nice balance.
So you're a big cilantro fan, and you can recommend it on those.
I should have tried it before. I would have ordered one more.